tell you how to make a Rubik's Cube. So let's just we started this to within the normal things. I can tell you that the middle pieces is not movable to any place. This middle piece, this middle piece, this middle piece, this middle piece, and then other pieces is H pieces. This is H pieces, two color piece, yellow color piece and red color piece. That green color piece and yellow color piece. So blue color piece, white color piece. This is that is called corner piece, three color piece. So and the other things is we know that is mandatory to the rows. One row, row is that is movable to any place. We can move anything anywhere. So this is simple thing to do. This is very simple to make a Rubik's Cube in any other sites. We can learn in the simplest steps and then in this video. So you can see full video for to learn how to make a Rubik's Cube. So just start with the first step. First step is that to choose one color for the base. One color for the base is mandatory. I choose my best color, favorite color, white color. So the first step is to make the Rubik's Cube is that to make plus this type and this type with white color, white middle, and to make this we make the yellow with this white colors. Where's hatches? Hatches is there. White hatches, white hatches. So white hatches. Where is our yellow color? This. So we made the hatches at this place. Where the hatches? Hatches first hatch, and second hatch, and third hatch. Third hatch is there. We move this type. Fourth hatch is there. We move this at this type. So our hatches is matching at the opposite side. So we move this to this type, this to this type, this to this type, this. So hatches is matching. The second step is that the hatching is situated the its right place because the middle point is not moving anywhere. So we match the blue color of this hatch to the blue color of the middle. So middle color of blue is there. Other color is matching, not matching. Other color is matching, not matching. Two colors are matching, blue and pink. So we match the red color and also the green color. So do these. Take this to the last yellow opposite side. Okay. We move that is red. To move that to the red color. Red color is there. To take this at the red color, where is red color? Red color is matching. We find blue color is matching, blue is matching, pink is matching, and red is matching with the H. And the fourth color, green white is there. Also the time is green is also matching, green matching, pink matching, blue matching, and red matching. So the next step is that the corner piece is matching. Corner piece with matching with the color of the middle term. The blue color of the white is matching to the green color. So white, blue, white, pink, and green is there. We need green, pink, and white at this place. So we do move these corner pieces. This white piece is red, blue. Where is red and blue? Red and blue is there. We take this at this place. By this, we move this to that place and situated this at that place. Not that place. So our red color of this corner piece is matching, blue color of the corner piece is also matching. So next step is to match other colors, other pieces also. White pieces, red and green and white. Red, green and white. So take there. Our red, green and white color is also matching corner. This corner matching. And the chances these corner. The corner I want the green and the this is not matching. This is also not matching because these color was not matching. So we do not have the power to do this. These ties to go these sides. Take this. Green is matching, pink is matching. Green matching, pink matching. And this is the movable sides. So we take this to this that step to you and then go. So our first step is done, our base color is also done, and these pinks and blue and red is matching and green is also matching. The next step start. Our next step is to done the second row. This row, this row, this row and this row. For doing the second row, we find the non-yellow edge pieces. This is non-yellow edge pieces. So this is pink and green. Pink and green piece want to here. So we doing this to do one algorithm. Normal thing. This want this place to move the opposite side, opposite direction. This type and this type and this type and find that this type this type and this type and we see the rice's edge pieces is coming at the right place. So find that other edge pieces like that, green and red. So we do then green and red match this color to the middle term. Where is green term? Green term is there. So we do match these pieces was want that place. So we move the opposite direction and then R, then R dash, then R dash, come at this place, move to U dash, L dash, U dash, back. So we see the red and green edges match this piece. For the other edge, we have the red and blue. So we move this to the red and blue. Red and blue wants that place. Move that place. We do normal things as opposite direction. This and this and reverse and back. This direction, this, 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 this. So we see these pieces was setted. The last pieces was rent is there. The pink and blue piece. Pink and blue piece place is this. So move the opposite direction. Pink pieces match. The pieces want that place. So we move it to the opposite direction. Opposite direction, this type, and return, and return. Go to that place, this place. This is not right. Move it through this direction, opposite direction. Move this. Move this into this direction. U and back R and U dash, and then we get these second line is rows matched. And the other next point is that to match these plus this type and this type, to match these plus, this is for condition. For condition is that to match, one condition is that to one point not these edges is here, and second condition is one edge is here and second edge is here, and the other places is other edges was filled in other colors. And the third condition is we find the row, and fourth condition is we have the L. So at this condition we normally just move this font, turn this and this to turn R. Let's come here and U this, and then R dash, U dash, and font dash. We have these plus. So the next step is done. We can see these color hatches we match. This is matching. So the one step is done. The next step is done to see these hatches corner is matching. Pink and blue. We have pink and green and blue and red not matching. Red and blue are matching. If our two sides is matching, then then take the Rubik's cube this direction. First is right side and second is back side. To do the same algorithms at this place. First font, second L, third U, second L dash, U dash, and font dash. We can see our colors is come or not. If our one color is theirs matching and second is their matching, to follow these algorithm is that right and then U and then right dash and then U and R and U2 and R dash. So we find that four hatches are matching. Red, blue, pink, green matching. Our plus is also here. So we go to the next step. Next step is to match these pieces. This piece, this piece, and this piece. To match these pieces, we have the other algorithms. Other algorithm is called normal things. There is not a big science to done this. This normal thing is that we follow is to match the corner. We find that one color is matching, colors is matching. That colors, these colors also matching. Yellow here, blue here. But these place is like rotate this. We are not rotate this type. So we use one simple thing is called U, मतलब upside, right, clockwise, and R and U dash and L and U dash and this. We find these pieces is matching or not. this is matching and this is not matching. This is also be not matching. This is not matching. So we reuse this algorithms like U R U dash L dash U R dash U dash and then L. Then we refound these colors are matching, these colors are matching, these pieces are not also matching. Red, green, blue, yellow, red, green, yellow, pink, blue, green, pink, blue, green, and then our pieces is the right place, but rotation is important. So we find we are reach at the right place. The simplest thing to solve at this place. So do the simple thing. Our white is matching and ochre is matching. Check this for the solving to take any place because all are the same. No one are matched. So we do not take care anything that are not the right place. So we do the normal thing is that for twisting these pieces, that green is here, pink is here, we have the simple algorithm is called R R prime as that R prime and D prime is that D prime R D R prime D prime R and D. These pieces is twisted at the right place, and then again for these pieces are twisted that place. We use this algorithm for two times. In that R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. For the next place is this. This is not twisted, so we do the same things for both time. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D. For the next last piece is that the same follow the same things. R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R D R prime D prime R and D. So we see these Rebox cube is solved. So you are happy to solve your life first Rebox cube by this type. This is the simplest method that we know. My name is Aditya, and then this is the simplest way to solve the Rebox cube. So okay, and thank you.